it cannot be tolerated. Like cannot be tolerated also, and it should not be anybody who are involved in this kind of the inhuman criminal activities. They should be punished. What is tell me? He is a laborer working in somebody's houses, making building or somebody's people's house. They are building. They are hard-working people earning their wages. How to kill this kind of innocent people? And we as a government, our police, they should take very stern action against these people who are taking the law in their hand.
We have seen that.
See, today I read in this Shillong Time letter to editor. One gentleman had written a beautiful headlines. They are not killed, but they died by themselves. You have read this today. He has given a very right thing. By people, the government, and we, the government, we have not taken seriously to arrest the culprit. Like for he have not told for only for this is happening incidentally happening recently only. That is happening for long many years back. This is inhuman has become too much in the state. It's become a shame for the people of Meghalaya. I'm telling you, it's become a shame. Everybody, what happened going to Meghalaya? They get killed. Like we are a barbarian here. We are not human being. Because of 1-2 people who are all inhuman act, the blame goes to the entire states of the people of our states. Chief Minister, I will I'll tell him. The Home Minister, I'll tell him. But I will write to the center, to the Honorable Union Home Minister. Why this kind of things happening in the you have to do something from the central government. At least we should not allow this kind of inhuman act is happening in the state of Meghalaya.